Hi everyone, today will be a bit special. We are not going to try out any traditional food. Today what we are going to try out here will be the durian fried rice. Okay, so the ingredient that we need here, this will be the mix. You can replace this with mixed bean. However, I'm using this is the stem, and then of course this is the carrot cube, and this is the onion. What we need here is the chopped garlic. Okay, and this is the main ingredient, the durian. Durian portion that we are using will be the 4 to 5 pieces. We also have fresh prawn, already marinated with soy sauce and also pepper. And for the seasoning of the fried rice, we're going to use soy sauce, 2 teaspoons, oyster sauce for 1 tablespoon, dark soy sauce for 1 tablespoon, and we put in the 50 ml of water. And last but not least, the rice. This is the overnight rice we prepare for one person portion. Okay, first we heat up the pan and put in the butter. We'll put in the chopped garlic. Put in the prawn. And we need to crack in the egg. And then we put in the fried rice ingredient. In the rice. Okay, and then we put in the fried rice sauce. Finally, we'll put in the durian, the ultimate durian. Now I can smell the aroma of durian. Okay, so this is my experimental and new version of durian fried rice. Let me test it out first. I'm not sure how it tastes. A bit weird. It tastes like durian and also the fried rice together, but apparently it's nice. Savory, and then a bit of durian flavor. Yeah, check it out. Please don't forget to subscribe and like to my channel.